So how to install WordPress theme for your new website. Okay, this is my current position. This is a WordPress default theme, so I want to change. Go to appearance and themes. You see there are 3 different themes. This is default by WordPress. So if you want to add new, then press here. You can filter here, just feature filter. Suppose you need e-commerce type or education type, then check and apply filter. Okay, you see a lot more option, but I have a premium theme, so I upload that. First I need to download. I want to use Astra theme. Okay, download. Now press on upload theme. Choose file and select your theme. Install now. You need to wait some time for installation. Then press active. This is my current active theme. Now I see okay, the interface is already changed. For next video I will show you how to customize your theme or all about WordPress. Hope you stay with us, and thank you for watching, guys.